Hello everyone, my name is Liane from Paldi Solutions, and today I'm going to show you how to use the dim switcher. The dim switcher allows the users to switch between different dimensions in the same widget, so you don't have to create many repetitive widgets with different dimensions in the same dashboard. It saves real estate and it's easier on the eyes. So let's get started. You can see here I have a dashboard already prepared with a pie chart and a column chart, and I'm going to add a dim switcher to be able to switch dimensions, and in the column chart we'll be able to do break buys as well with our dim switcher plugin. So um, I'm going to go ahead and add a widget. This widget will be our control panel for the dim switcher. This widget is invisible for the viewers. They won't be able to see it. It's only for you to be able to edit the dimensions and the break buys that you want to show or to allow the users to switch between. So I added the category name, the status and the payment method and order price range. As you can see, there are all dimensions. Now in the break by, I'm going to add a few more, and I'm also going to add a date dimension in this one. So users will be able to break by a year. So you can also add the date dimension there. There we go. Okay, now I'm choosing which widgets I'm going to apply the dim switcher on. I first have to refresh the page after adding a new dim switcher widget. So now you can see I have these drop downs added, and I can change the dimension to a different one. You can see it changed, and the break by as well. Okay, and you can also decide to not have any break by. So if you add a break by, you can disable the break by selecting none. Here in the pie chart as well, switching between the dimensions. Now I'm going to add a new one. First, I want to add a new widget. This is going to be a quite interesting dimension switcher, because I'm going to do only one dimension, but it's going to be a date dimension and it's going to be in different time resolutions. So we are kind of enabling the users to drill down to lower levels of granularity of the date dimension. So here I'm just going to rename this this widget, and I'm going to create a completely different dim switcher that will have different dimensions. So I've just added a new dim switcher here, and I'm only going to select the date and duplicate it and change the level of granularity. So I want to put years, quarters, and months. Now I'm going to show you some of our styles, the styling options here. So I'm going to change the background color and the drop down color. Sorry, this is the frame. This is the triangle color. So the triangle of the drop down. And you can change even the values within the list, their style, the font, the color. So I've just made these little style changes in order to be able to differentiate and also to show you how you can style your dashboard. So now we have two different dim switchers. And again, these are not visible for the viewers, only for the designers. And in my new one, I'm just going to select the one widget that I've created before. I can even rename the dim switcher for me to be able to remember which one is which. And now you can see that my new styled dimension switcher is already here. And you can see how you can select the different dimensions and you see the data in a lower or higher level of granularity, while this other dimension switcher allows you to switch between different categories, break buys, etc. So this is how to use our dimension switcher. It's very easy and very straightforward. If you have any other questions, you're welcome to contact us at Paldi Solutions.